Now take a look at this. This is a quick and easy cream that you can use to get rid of your eye bags, also puffy eyes and dark under eye circles. It's a 4-ingredient cream that any one of you can whip up in your home. It is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K. This also is great to get rid of wrinkles under the eyes. So if you're looking for a quick and easy remedy, look no further. Give this one a try. So if you want the full recipe, continue watching the video. I'm going to be using some cucumber seed oil, and cucumber seed oil will help to shrink the eye bags and puffy eyes, but this is also great for getting rid of dark spots and blemishes and dark under eye circles. I'm going to be using a teaspoon of the cucumber seed oil in this in our bowl. So 1 teaspoon of the cucumber seed oil. My next oil is aloe vera oil, and aloe vera oil will have the clear pigmentation on the skin, get rid of dark under eye circles, get rid of puffy eyes and eye bags. I'm also going to be using 1 teaspoon of the aloe vera oil. So let me just shake this in. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera oil. Now once this is done, I'm going to reach for some vitamin E oil, and vitamin E oil helps to hydrate the skin, nourish and protect the skin, good for shrinking eye bags. So I'm using a half a teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. My next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will help to shrink those puffy eye bags and also get rid of dark under eye circles and lines and wrinkles under the eyes. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, pouring this in, and now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well. We are mixing all the oils with the aloe vera gel. Mixing cucumber seed oil, aloe vera oil, vitamin E oil, and some aloe vera gel. And once this is mixed in, we're going to reach for our storage jar, and we're just going to scoop this in. And here it is, your eye cream. You're going to use this under your eyes, just about a drop under your eyes, AM and PM. Massage it under your eyes, and you're on your way to beautiful looking under eyes, free from eye bags, free from dark under eye circles, and also free from wrinkles and fine lines. No need to store this in the refrigerator. Store this on your countertop. Use it up within about 6 months or so. To use this, all you need is just a drop. You're going to warm it in your fingers like this, and then you're just going to dab it under your eyes. Just dab it under your eyes. Make sure to clean the areas under your eyes before you apply the moisturizer. This moisturizer you can use AM and PM under your eyes, and also good for the crow's feet. So apply it under your eyes, and guess what? You're on your way for shrinking those eye bags and getting rid of puffy eyes and also dark under eye circles and wrinkles and fine lines. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comments. And guess what? And don't forget to give this a try and come back and let us know how well it works for you. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.